Hello, my name is Jonathan. I'm from Anchor Systems and I'm the technical design manager there. And over the last few years, we've been working together to improve our cable route management system that's London Underground to achieve the product you see here today. The main differences that this cable route management system has over our legacy version is that it now uses our patented domed anchor screw, whereas the previous version used our anchor post, which is now specific to concomitant installs only. Whereas what you see here today is a more complete package and is able to support as many as 16 cable hangers, as you can see here. The cable route management system that you see here installed today at Cockfosters Depot comprises of multiple different components that we've produced and designed at Anchor Systems to offer one complete package. Starting with our foundation, we've got our patented domed anchor screw. It comes in multiple different lengths and sizes depending on the asset that it has to support above. Then we have our cable post, which has a matching dome plate to match that of the anchor screw. This gives it plenty of angular adjustability during installation to make the whole process as quick as possible to install as much meterage as you can. Then we have our horizontal rails, which go directly onto the cable post. These add rigidity to the system and allow the cable hangers to be spaced at intervals shorter than those of the spacings of the anchor screws if necessary. The spacings of the anchor screws depend on a few factors, such as the weight of what's going on above it and the ground conditions, as well as any slope that it has to deal with. Then we've got our back plates, which bolt directly onto the horizontal rails. These come in either steel or GRP, depending on how touch safe the system needs to be. The benefits of this are that there's no halves because the anchor screw is put in using a torque head rather than percussively driven in like the anchor post. It's still installed extremely quickly at 4 to 8 minutes depending on the ground conditions and the length of the anchor screw you're putting in. The steel that everything you see here is made from is made in Britain. It's S275 steel at a minimum grade. It's all galvanised to extend its design life and has been designed for a minimum 100 years.